Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, I would like to show you two other squeeze opportunities that I have identified by using the market cap, the volume, the synthetic short interest, the regular short interest, and of course, technical analysis. So I'm going to show you here all of this and see what we can do. Let's get into it. All right, so my two candidates are Marin and Groupon. All right, GRPN and MRIN are the tickers. So let's start with Marin. So what do we have here? We can see that the stock was basically rangy for a few years. And suddenly in June, we had a massive move up from 1 to 27. All right, so this is a squeeze, guys. All right, so here there was a squeeze. I wasn't there. I mean, I was there, but I was not using my spreadsheet at that time, so I didn't see this one, but this is a beautiful squeeze. And after that, we had a pump and a dump. Okay, so then I had here many of you asking me questions in my Discord, link in the description, by the way, if you are interested, that were telling me, should I get in, should I not get in? And I was here seeing a clear downtrend that found support here. This is a fake out. Then we had this. All right, so basically this was not easy to trade. We had a lot of weakness. I didn't give any alerts on this. Here we didn't have the breakout. And right now I'm seeing something interesting, guys, because let's go on a fast time frame. Okay, so on a fast time frame, we can see that here we had this consolidation with the market making lower lows, with the MACD going higher. All right, this is a bullish divergence. We have it on the 4 hours. Do we have it on the daily? We don't have it on the daily. Do we have it on the hourly? And we have it on the hourly. So we have 2 time frames with this bullish divergence. You can see here the MACD is going higher. So market making lower lows, MACD making higher lows. So this is bullish. This is a sign of reversal. Here then we had this 200 period moving average on the hourly time frame. That was clearly resistance that got broken. So right now we're having a breakout situation with I'm going to show you that, a massive synthetic short interest on the upside. So this is looking good. This stuff can squeeze. I'm going to finish technically. So here I see support around 660, 630. So I posted an alert on this. You guys that are on my Discord can of course see it. And I'm going to keep updating you on the stock because I think that it has a nice potential. Now let me show you some Marin. The synthetic short interest. So for those who are seeing this for the first time, this is a spreadsheet that is using the option open interest to get the synthetic short that I compute using the delta, using Black-Scholes formula, and I get the synthetic short and the maximum synthetic short. The difference between those two is the gamma. So let's see here, what do we have for Marin? It's still computing. All right, so this is the option distribution. So we have a lot on the 10 strikes. So Marin is trading at 7, so higher. And we have some on the 20, 30. All right, so this is creating gamma. You can see the synthetic short can go from 5 to 12. And when I did that on the 27th of August, the maximum synthetic short was 8. It is now 12.1%, okay? So it grew on Friday. So this is hot. This is showing you that a lot of people jumped in to buy some call options. And this is going to create even more gamma on the upside. So we're having here a nice candidate and the market cap is very small, 100 million USD. It's small. So a few investors can move this stock. So that's why I think that we might see some nice move up here. So once again, I posted an alert where I give you guys all the details of the trades that I would do. Second one. Okay, Groupon, here we go. So bearish trend for the past 10 years. Then it woke up after the COVID, like many stocks. Here we had a small fake out of the downtrend, you can see. All right, we tried, we failed, and now we moved lower. So what is the situation first technically here? So I'm going to go on a 4 hours time frame. Okay, so this is weak, guys. Okay, here you can only see weakness. We don't have enough time here. The market didn't consolidate very long, actually almost 1 month. So you can see that here we had this consolidation that I'm going to show you how to use. But first, we don't have here the nice bullish reversals yet. We don't have any bullish divergence. We don't have any breakouts. It's an early stage. But I'm going to show you guys what I have on the synthetic short interest. But first, look here, we have this consolidation. Okay, between the 30s, okay, 10th of August. So for 2-3 weeks, the market is consolidating below 25. So any move higher than this is a trigger for some nice moves up. And you can see here, let's check the synthetic short interest. Bam. Okay, get synthetic short. Once again, here I'm using all the maturities that are here. I'm also checking the regular short as of the 13th of August that is now available. And I take all this information into account when I try to identify if it's a candidate for squeeze. I also associate all this information with the technicals that are helping me to actually play these moves. So here, maximum synthetic short, absolutely massive, guys, 37%. It's one of the biggest I've seen. SPRT and BBIG are around 70-80%, so they're even higher, but they squeezed already. This stuff has not squeezed yet. We have a DTC of 5, which is a lot, guys. Above 3, there is risk, all right? But sometimes you have 1 and it's still squeezing. So it's not the only indicator you want to look at, but it's already very interesting. So the total short is right now 8. For now, the synthetic short plus 16, but you can see, guys, as we're coming from the highs, there are many call options on the 30, 35, 25. So basically the gamma is huge, 30% of synthetic short that is going to be created on the upside if all the options finish in the money. So of course we would need to go very high for that to happen, but it's possible. So market cap 700 million USD, so it's bigger. So it's not as easy to move as those shorter, smaller market caps, but it's definitely a very strong candidate. So same thing, guys, I added to my squeeze short list, and I'm showing you some nice trade ideas that you could do on my Discord if you want to have a look. So let's see what is happening. I think this week might be very interesting. We saw a lot of big moves on last week, especially on Friday. So I'm very excited to see how things go on Monday. I'm going to keep updating you guys on everything that I'm saying here. Don't hesitate to show me more stocks in the comments. I will have a look at them, and if I see something interesting, I will show you. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did,